Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply disable apps location access on your Windows PC step-by-step guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on that and then make sure you go to settings. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy, and it's going to take you right here. Then you have to simply go to location. Then what you need to do right here, so allow apps to access your location. If you allow access, you can use the setting on this page to choose which app can access your device, precise location and location history to enable location-based experience such as directions and weather. If you are signed in with a Microsoft account on this device, your last known location is saved to the cloud and shared with other devices where you sign in with your Microsoft account. Right now, denying access only block the apps listed on the page from accessing your location. What you need to do is to simply disable this button. Once you disable this button, now some apps you are fully disable any apps having access to your location, your precise location on your Windows PC. You can scroll down right here. So if an app or your location is being used or your location is being tracking, you are going to see this particular symbol right here, and it's going to be displayed from the bottom side of your PC right here. But for the further you have disabled the location, you are not going to see it. It's as simple as that. So you can see all locations here are fully disabled. So basically, this is how to simply disable your location history on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.